pretty common question I get from my viewers is, do I track my car, and if so, how much does it cost? Is it safe to do, and can any idiot do it? The answer is yes, I do from time to time track my Carrera 4S. I find it to be the safest way to experience the performance potential of a sports car, and it helps improve my old man driving skills. And it is a shit ton of fun, particularly when you start to get to grips with the track you're on. Also, yes, anyone can do it. Well, sort of. Your car needs to pass a safety check, be in a condition not to overheat, drop fluids, and to be able to brake consistently from high speed and generally not put yourself or others in danger. Throwing a beat to shit 97 4-cylinder Camry on a track with a bunch of Corvettes and Porsches will not win you any friends. So, you have a decent car and you're ready to beat the shit out of it on a track. There are a few ways to do so. I find doing it through clubs like Porsche of North America, if you've got a Porsche of course, or track day specialists like companies like TrackXperienz, as seen in this video, is the safest and most cost effective. Professionals will manage the whole day, sorting you into categories based on skill level, experience, your car's performance, so that you're well matched to the others on the track. They'll provide briefings, go over the rules, and even provide ride-alongs with experienced drivers until you're familiar with the track and know how to get the most out of your car. Of course, they also consistently monitor the entire track to make sure that no one is doing anything truly stupid, as this can just mess it up for everyone. How much does it cost? Well, the event itself can be pretty reasonable, anywhere from $350 up to $1,000 depending on the track and who's running it. But generally I find these guys TrackXperienz to run their days at about the $350 mark, which is very reasonable and includes pretty much everything you need. Keep in mind, however, there are other expenses. You will likely destroy a set of street tyres and wear down your brakes considerably. You might also want to stay the night near the track beforehand, so these are all other costs on top. Some people also like to take track day insurance just in case there's an incident on the track, but I personally have never bothered because I have more close calls just driving around New York than I ever have on a track. Anyway, if you're interested in experiencing a track day with a bunch of like-minded speed freaks and you want to try track day experience, then email Sam, his address is shown here. He has not sponsored this video, just enjoy what he does, so this is just a personal recommendation. Of course, if he wants to give me free track days, then I will not say no. Also, any other questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try and answer them. Yes, track days, just a great deal of fun.